bedroom lights on.
Turning on bedroom light.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Get ingredients for samosa. Tell my friends tomorrow is party.
Post it to Facebook. Tomorrow is party.
Hey Gogo. Trigger, take photo.
Okay, taking photo.
Hey Gogo, trigger bedroom lights on.
Turning on bedroom lights.
Hey Gogo, trigger bathroom lights on.
Turning on bathroom lights.
Hey Gogo, trigger kitchen lights on.
Turning on kitchen lights.
Hey Gogo, trigger kitchen lights off.
Turning off kitchen lights.
Hey Gogo, trigger bathroom lights off.
Turning off bathroom lights.
Hey Gogo, trigger bedroom lights off. Hey Gogo, trigger Servo 60.
Moving motor by 50 degrees.
Hey Gogo, trigger Servo 180.
Moving motor by 180 degrees.
Hey Gogo, trigger Servo 90.
Moving motor by 90 degrees.
Hey Gogo, trigger Servo 20.
Moving motor by 20 degrees.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hey Gogo, we are taking your interview.
Oh God, I'm so happy to give my interview. Thanks for being here and welcome in our home. Also ask some question for Luv Kush.
Hey Gogo, introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Robot. My name is Go and I am latest robot from Luv Kush Brothers. They struggled a lot for a year to come up to this point.
Hey Gogo, who is your father?
Luv Kush Panthi are my inventor, they made me. I am the robot assistant made by Luv Kush Brothers.
Hey Gogo, tells your features.
I can give answer of all questions, control all electrical equipments, search mobile, send recipe to your phone, take photos and videos from different angles, post on Facebook, Twitter, etc.
Are you feeling happy?
I'm happy to help.
Hey Gogo, trigger take photo.
Okay, taking photo.
Hey Gogo, sing a baby song.
I'll sing a children's song for you. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the...
Hey Gogo, I hate you.
Well, I'm still learning. What do we need to fix?
Nothing.
Okay, no problem.
Hey Gogo, who is the president of Nepal?
The president of Nepal is Devi.
Hey Gogo, how old is he?
She's 56 years old.
Hey Gogo, what is the time in New York?
The time in New York, USA is 10:29 a.m.
Hey Gogo, what's the weather?
Right now in New York City, it's 58 and cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecast high of 73 and a low of 61.
Hey Gogo. Hey Gogo, turn into radio 2.
Tuning into radio 2.
Stream Nepali लोकदोहोरी song.
Getting YouTube link.
Hey Gogo, stop it. Hey Gogo, today's top news.
BBC News. Home. Gaza clashes. Dozens killed as US opens Jerusalem embassy. At least 43 Palestinians died.
Hey Gogo, sing a beatbox. Sing a beatbox.
I've been waiting for you to ask.
Hey Gogo, meow.
Here's a cat sound.
Low battery, please charge.
कुश पन्थीले रोबोटको नाम गोगो रोबोट राखेका छन्। रोबोटलाई प्रश्न सोधेपछि उसले हरेक प्रश्नको उत्तर दिन सक्छ। विद्युतीय उपकरण र इन्टरनेट जडित रोबोटले घरहरूको विद्युतीय उपकरणहरू समेत आवाजको माध्यमबाट नियन्त्रण गर्न सक्छ। रोबोटले खानेकुराको परिकार बनाउने तरिका पनि मोबाइलमा एसएमएस गर्न सक्छ।
Hey Gogo, who made you?
Luv Kush Panthi are my inventor. They made me. I am the robot assistant made by Luv Kush brothers.
Hey Gogo, trigger kitchen lights off.
Turning off kitchen light.
नेपाल र भारतबाट उपकरण ल्याएर बनाइएको रोबोटले युट्युबका सामग्रीहरू खोजेर अडियो बजाउने समेत गर्छ। 80 भन्दा बढी भाषा अनुवाद गर्न सक्ने रोबोटले नेपाल तथा विश्वभरिका ठूला होटेल र अस्पतालका फोन नम्बरहरू पनि भन्न सक्ने बनाइएको छ।
Posting to Facebook, tomorrow is happy.
रोबोटले इमर्जेन्सी मेल पठाउन समेत सक्छ। हराएको मोबाइल खोजिदिने, हिसाबहरू गर्ने, मनपर्ने रंगहरूको वर्णन विस्तार गर्ने गोगो रोबोटका विशेषता रहेका छन्।
Gogo, what's the weather?
Currently in Teletama municipality, it's 85 and mostly sunny. Today, it's predicted to be 77 and mostly cloudy.
Hey Gogo, tell me near hospitals.
I found a few places within 9.7 kilometers. The first one is Club de Novo at KALIKANAGAR 11, Butwal, Rupandehi in Butwal. The second one is Asian Hotel Private Limited at Siddhartha Rajmarg in Butwal. The third one is Darcy's International Hotel at New Bus Park, Darcy's Road in Butwal.
Hey Gogo, trigger turn off.
Shutting down Raspberry Pi.
Hey Google, set calendar.
What's the title of the event?
Sister marriage.
Okay, when is the event?
Tomorrow.
At what time?
12 a.m.
At what time?
12 p.m.
At what time?
1 a.m.
Alright, Google PM tomorrow at 1 a.m. in William. Do you want to save this?
Yes.
Sure, I saved your event.
Hey Google, set timer.
Okay, for how long?
10 seconds.
Sure, 18 seconds, and here...
Hey Google, stop it. Hey Google, my camera is in bedroom.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Hey Google, where is my camera?
You told me that your kid's in bedroom.
Hey Google, thank you.
I'm happy to help.
Hey Google, I love you.
Thanks. You're not so bad yourself.
Hey Google, I hate you.
Well, I am still learning.
Hey Google, where is my phone?
I found a few phones. The first listed is a Sung J70OF. Should I ring it?
Yes.
Alright, your phone should be ringing now.
Hey Google, get ingredients for samosa. Hey Google, tell my friends tomorrow is party.
Posting to Facebook, tomorrow is party.
Hey Google, trigger, take photo.
Okay, taking photo.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go
stronger? बनाएको यो रोबोटले यो क्षेत्रमा निकै नै चर्चा बटुलेको छ। सरकारले यी युवालाई उचित पठन पाठनको व्यवस्था गर्ने भने यिनै युवाहरूले नेपाललाई रोबोटको माध्यमबाट पनि विश्वसामु चिनाउनेछन्। न्युज 24 टेलिभिजन लागि क्यामेरा सहयोगी शिव डुम्रे र कृष्ण पाण्डेको रिपोर्ट।